So we've got to show detailed reasoning. So it says prove that sec theta minus tan theta all squared is equal to 1 minus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta, and then hence solve the equation that sec theta minus tan theta is equal to half, and we're going to be solving this in degrees between 0 and 360. Okay, so if we take the left-hand side, which is sec theta minus tan theta, and then we square it, that becomes sec squared minus 2 sec theta tan squared theta. We know that sec theta is 1 over cos, so we'll replace this as being 1 over cos squared, and this one being 2 over cos. We know that tan theta is sine over cos, so we'll replace that with sine over cos. And again, we can replace this one with sine squared over cos squared. Right, if we look at the denominator here, we'll notice that we've got cos squared as a common denominator, because here cos times cos, which is cos squared. So we'll make a common denominator, and then the top will become 1 minus 2 sine theta plus sine squared theta. Now, if we know the fact, we should know that a squared minus 2ab plus b squared is equal to a minus b all squared, which is what we've got here. 1 minus 2 times 1 sine theta plus sine squared theta. So we can write that as 1 minus sine theta all squared. And then replacing cos squared theta as 1 minus sine squared theta, we get cos squared becoming 1 minus sine squared theta. Writing that out again. Right, here we've got the difference of two squares. So the top we're just going to write as 1 minus sine theta, 1 minus sine theta. But we know that a squared minus b squared is equal to a minus b times a plus b. So we've got 1 squared minus a sine squared. So we can write that as 1 minus sine theta, 1 plus sine theta. Here we can see that these two are going to cancel out, and we're left with what we were asked to prove, which is 1 minus sine theta divided by 1 plus sine theta. It's equal to the right-hand side. We now need to solve the equation sec theta minus tan theta all squared is equal to a half. So it says hence, so we should take that and replace it with that. So we're going to get 1 minus sine theta over 1 plus sine theta is equal to a half. Cross multiplying, we're going to get 2 times 1 minus sine theta is equal to 1 times 1 plus sine theta. Multiplying for the bracket, we get 2 sine theta plus 1 plus sine theta. We take the 1 here. We're going to get 1, and then take the minus 2 over here. We're going to get minus 3 sine theta, which means that sine theta must be 1/3. We now need to find the angles between 0 and 360 that make that true. So sine to the minus 1 at 1/3, using our calculator in degree mode, will be 19.47 degrees. If we draw our South Asian Tennis Club, this is positive. So sine is positive in the first and second quadrant. So we'll draw two angles, making our angles with the x-axis. And we'll be able to say that theta will be 19.45 or 180 minus 19.45, which gives 19.5 or 160.5. So this has been a video to prove a trig identity and then use that idea to solve an equation. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.